help me in the spread. I love you.
Taro guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a little hiccup today. We're at the plantation at the moment and just saw that the cows were out. Uati noticed some tracks on the field which belong to the cows, so just towards up that area, so we were hesitant, quite suspicious where the cows, the tracks were from, but happens to be the cows. So we're gonna chase them inside. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Just a routine check here on the farm, especially with the Taro Moa coming up, so we have to keep on checking every day just to ensure there are no pigs, no one stealing them, and damage from cows, especially because we have the Taro Moa coming up and we wouldn't want to our hard-earned crops to suffer any damage. So yeah. Obviously you can see we've actually broken down the door, the gate to the cattle farm, so we'll be trying to see if we can do a quick with me and Uati here, just so that until next week when we can actually come back and fix it again. So for the quick fix, we just used an oso we used to plant the taro, just to lock the fence in until we can come back tomorrow. Maybe, yeah, I'll come back tomorrow and fix this. The fence is pretty damaged at the moment, so probably need to fix this as well. So we're just gonna go check on the other taros towards the back area on their growth, and also to check up on the if the combs are okay in preparation for our Taro Moa coming up. So Uati and Pa'a, we're busy, pretty busy trying to clear up one of our existing crops. It's due to mature in the next 3 months, maybe 4 months, which I showed you guys in the last video. And most of them is pretty cleared up now, as you can see there. So it was really good. Actually growing really well. So as you can see there, most of it's cleared up now, the vegetation, and taro is left to grow again, which was quite obstructed due to the large vegetation that was going on. So yeah, looks fairly good at the moment. Apologies guys, we haven't been uploading as frequent as we usually did. There's quite a lot of chores at the plantation now. So yeah, we try to cover as much as we can. Unfortunately, I try to get some content in every now and then, but it's quite difficult. So yeah, bear with us. So yeah, got a little problem here. Now as you can see that it's obviously damaged. That's another waste of good taro. This is most likely either from the cows or the pigs, but you can see that's a fairly large size comb that's been damaged. It's a big waste, and this is why it's important right now to frequently come check up on the plantation, because there's quite a lot of stray cows around at the moment. At the same time, also pigs. So it's pretty difficult at the moment, and it's another huge loss. Quite fortunate it's only one, but got to be more careful. We've got to come here more often now. Okay, so this is a little scary. Oh, not scary. I mean, it's quite marvelous, the growth that's going on here. I'm holding my phone camera at face level at the moment, and look at the size of these taros. I mean, the growth they have. See, face level, probably almost as tall as me. It's quite extraordinary growth. Now, this could be one of two reasons. One, the taro is growing really well, or two, because there was vegetation here. The taro tried to grow itself higher than the vegetation, so it could catch more sunlight. Look at that. I'm actually dwarfed by taros now. Scary, you know, but based on the size of at the bottom of the comb, they look fairly big, so it could be that the growth, that they're growing really well. Yeah, it's most likely cows trampling. Look, nope, it's pigs. Definitely pigs now. Pigs are back. That's not a good sign. And that damage there looks pretty recent. Because this area is a little shady. There wouldn't be any sun from here, but you can see how much the leaves have withered based on the damage. Probably yesterday. This time yesterday. Which is not a good sign. We've really gotta be a lot more vigilant now. Just trying to look inside towards the area, see if there's any other damaged taros. Uati there, just enjoying it. Yeah. Uati just enjoying life. Who wouldn't enjoy life if you had a view like this every day? Shit, I'd be happy too. This is the plot here that we planted just a month ago. It's showing really good growth now of the 4-month variety, and as you can see down towards that far end, that's where the existing plantation is right now, down that area. So we're coming towards this side up here.
That's all right. I mean, it's kind of good. Let's chop this. Happening. Very nice. This is a bobo. It's a communication. Oh, look down of the herd. And see the carrot? Push up. The sideways, the tree, come down.
Oh.
Where? Oh, so mine.
Show me.
One boys.
One.
Get out, mine. Listen to me. You fuck. You! My heart, and my hair, and my tongue. Come up! Push in the cavern. Push. Next time, come back to me. Don't look at fast. Karen. Get out.
So then what's he gonna head back home now? We have to cook the food. Checkup's finished. Hopefully get another episode there.
Shit. Go to sleep and don't me.
So guys, we're back at home now. I'm just coming towards the back plantation at the back of the house, just to check on the plantation here if everything's going good.
Nice pumpkin growing.
Because we have, as you guys see in the other videos, we do have another plantation at the back of the house, and the reason for that plantation is because, you know, sometimes we have guests coming over and there's some taro here. Rather than running all the way back to the plantation, our main plantation, you can just grab it from here. Well, looks good. So for this plantation, we've probably used up to 70-75% of the taro that we grew here. It's another waste. Most of it's already been used. So it's just the woolies left around here, as you can see there. And look at that, another cow. You know, it's just, it just becomes, you know, it's just not funny anymore. I'm losing a lot of money with these cows and pigs as well, so just not into it. I mean, sometimes that's why farmers just lose the motivation to do any more plantations because of these cows. Teach them. Days like this, you know, just wish you had a gun and just shoot them all. Fortunately, I'm not allowed to shoot them. In one of my other videos, I thought we were allowed to shoot them here in the village, but the village rules are you're only allowed to, what you have to do is you try and get them and then tie a rope around their neck and then tell the family to come get them after they've destroyed probably close to 400 of your taros. It's an absolute waste of money. Yeah, they're gone. So yeah. As you can see, that's our house up there. Most of this plantation's already finished. It's left to that stage where we let it grow, let the vegetation grow, and then harvest in about, I want to say 2 months. Yeah, probably 2 months. So yeah guys, about to sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's short episode. We've got a big episode coming up, which will probably be our Talumua episode, where we will attend the district Talumua, and yeah, showcase our crops and stuff. So that's another big episode coming up. But for today, I think that's it for us. Just want to say thank you again, guys, for subscribing to our channel, to our new subscribers, and as well as our old subscribers. Really appreciate the support. Thanks for liking our videos, commenting below, and yeah, showing the love on our channel. I know it's a fairly new channel, but the growth has been really good. It's been amazing the amount of support we received, so thanks again, guys. And yeah, but until then, guys, we'll catch you guys in the next episode. Stay safe, fam.